Ella's not feeling good. No, but Emma's doing better. Yes, sweetheart. It's okay. Look at this sad sack. You're sad sack. You're a sad sack, huh? It's alright, sweetheart. Oh, here's Emma. Little perk here. Oh gosh, I don't want her to fall off the table. Hi, Emma. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, hello. Hi, sweet girl. Oh, good girl. There's your IV bag. And there's where you get it in there, all those fluids you need. Oh, sweet girl. You've gotten perkier. You're getting better. What a good girl you are. What a good girl. No, good girl.